Decoding the mystery. Sticky floors after cleaning.
Hello everyone! Have you ever found yourself in a situation where, after spending a fair amount of time mopping your floors, they still remain sticky? Well, you're not alone. This can be a frustrating experience, and today, we're here to delve into the reasons why this might be happening and what you can do about it.
Is your cleaning solution the culprit?
Firstly, let's take a look at your cleaning solution. The residue left behind by some cleaning solutions could indeed be the cause of your sticky floors. So, how can you identify if this is the case? Here's a quick test. Prepare a small portion of your cleaning solution and test it on an inconspicuous part of your floor. If the area remains sticky after drying, it's quite possible that your cleaning solution is the problem.
Is it a case of too much solution?
On to our second possible cause. Are you using too much cleaning solution? Sometimes, it's not the cleaning product itself, but the amount we're using. More isn't always better when it comes to cleaning. If you're adding too much soap to your mop water, it could leave a sticky residue behind once it dries. Try using less of your cleaning solution the next time you mop and see if the issue resolves.
How is your mop?
The third point to consider is your mop itself. A dirty mop can redeposit dirt and grime on your floors. Make sure your mop is clean before you start, and rinse it out thoroughly as you're mopping. Also, if your mop is old and worn out, it may be less effective at removing dirt and soap residue from your floors, so you might want to consider replacing it.
Are you rinsing and drying properly?
Finally, let's consider the rinsing and drying process. Not rinsing your floors properly after mopping can lead to a buildup of soap residue, which results in sticky floors. After you've mopped your floors with your cleaning solution, go over them again with a mop dampened with clean water. This can help to rinse away any remaining soap residue. Also, it's essential to allow your floors to dry completely after mopping. You can aid the drying process by opening windows or turning on fans. So, there you have it. It could be your cleaning solution, the amount you're using, your mop, or your rinsing and drying process that's leaving your floors sticky. By identifying and addressing the problem, you can enjoy clean and non-sticky floors in no time. We hope you found this video helpful and it brings an end to your sticky floor problems. Happy cleaning, everyone!